Compose. Ladies and gentlemen, compose yourself. Is it beat you? I witchcraft. You are witchcraft upon me. I rebuke you right now. I rebuke you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Come to the late night show. Love you. Okay, and I go by the name Asuchua, Ogbalo, baby. Thank you. And of course, on the wheels of steel. My guy, my G, very, very bad guy. I used to do wiki things. And DJ, easy. Yes. Everybody, you deserve a moment of fame. Just this is why they like to introduce you sometimes. Okay. You understand? So you are coming to have your own moment of fame. Hello?
Hi.
Get it?
We get it.
As it's like this now, we are going to continue with the show. And how has been your day? One guy asked me that thing for UI 1 year. How has been your day? I don't know if you can respond. I can say, say that English correct. How has your day been?
Okay.
How has been your day?
All right.
I don't know which one can be correct, which one can be fake.
What do you got to tell her?
I say my day. No, I answer the normal way.
Okay.
My day has been good.
Okay.
But it still no sound. I don't know what they have to get. Say, how has been your day now, huh? But you know this is our Ibadan ladies, very, very on point, and they do the wrong thing the right way.
With pride.
See one kind Gigi for screen just now. They do one abracadabra just now for us on the screen things. So as it be like this, ladies and gentlemen, today we go do some other things on the dancing P. People don't know say dance is very, very important for the chest.
Touch your heart.
It touches your heart, for your chest, for your heart. Some people not they do exercise. Some people not they used to trekking already.
All right.
So they used to suffer. They say that the exercise for them be that. But today we just tell you now. Now where you are scarce, where is coming back gradually, but it will still take over very, very soon. But now you can dance away your sorrow. You can dance away your weakness. You can dance away your retardation. Easy be supposed to day inside the pastor mode.
Okay.
Okay. And if I do like this, I'm enter. You understand? Dance away your sorrows.
Oh, yeah.
Dance away your pain.
Oh, yeah.
Dance away your weakness. Someone shout. Because the dancer is in the building.
Yeah.
And you see me, you have spoiled. You don't spoil finish.
I got tired.
I don't know. You know useless like this before.
I got tired.
No, you just don't budget finish.
Get away from me, you Satan.
I rebuke thee.
I rebuke thee.
Level. Okay, but I'll sit back, relax. The show go make plenty brain this night. Okay, so just stay. You will come and see us now dancing mode. Today we go do telepotita. Go into that mode because we get one beautiful girl in the building. She'll come and trust the dancing things.
No wonder they show yourself.
Jace. Go, you understand? It happen. You are a beefer. Okay, so easy beat. Get ready. Can I come out with the comeback for the cocoa of the day? No go anywhere. Michael Hansen, that guy believes that guy they smoke something. That thing just wake up and waiting they shout
too much energy.
And so this is sometimes you do like this.
Your head gonna shake.
Evil spirit. Or bad spirit worry that guy well. That make for the end of the whole thing. You don't go know till they worry it again.
Cover they do.
Well now, when you just say, you know, your voice comes small. Black man, no.
And he go shock you.
He goes, have you seen my childhood?
But that guy voice not the
No. But see.
Especially if you come to that. I know the thing. Oh my God, Lord Jesus Christ.
Jacko. But now they talk about me. They come like say we woman. They talk about man.
You know the gossip.
Yeah, because they do me for us like say we are.
Focus.
Let's focus. No, we focus on this thing like this now. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, we have come back to the show, and like this now we are going to enter into the cocoa of today.
Make a tell them the cocoa. 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 When you see someone you like, just use the magic. Go say,
You are a useless boy. You know, it's a compliment on your behalf.
It's a compliment.
Mm-hmm. For comedy, when we say, oh boy, you dey crazy, it's compliment. You say, thank you very much. You too, you are crazy too. Okay, first cocoa of the day. Oga Ben Murray Bruce. You know that guy? The Bruce family. So you say they like business, right?
Yeah, it go shock you.
They are business now. They don't enter into entertainment, they enter politics. That man get plan. See, some people go come out, they do good. The good no be from their belly. I don't talk of Ben, but some people, they come out, they do good. They get plan for the future.
Interior motive.
Because not be everybody they do good. It's just for that plan of things for front. Because they don't say, make they give a small corn they chop.
Yeah, you know,
small
maybe wet time, maybe water.
So for your mind now, be good person when they put corn for ground. Corn until the fowl will fall inside basket. They come put, pom! So Nigeria now, it can't be like the fowl. Where there's some people they do good for, and finally will come enter inside wahala.
I'll catch you.
Now be the fowl would do like this.
Bam.
We just leave them for them.
Yeah.
Because which I talk now is very deep.
Very deep.
Deep, secrets. Only can be revealed to the deep people. Finish. If you don't get them, you can't get it. Get them. Okay, but Oga Ben Murray Bruce, now they come and they talk different things now. Last time he come and talk say, people suppose they use, they supposed to keep fuel motor one side.
Okay.
Make they come they use solar motor.
Oh.
Now everybody see attacking. You think everybody be like you? Is everybody earn money like you?
Wait, hold it.
Oh, they say, Oga, please, thank you for your suggestion. You can keep it for your pocket. But like this, now you don't come out and talk different things on top of Twister. So we're going to read them one by each. The first one say, left to me, apart from the president and the vice president, no public official should have a convoy of more than 3 cars at government expense. But you talk, not true.
Makes sense.
Not true. For this country, the ones that way be the small leap for even the government, they carry convoy. It should say even you not trust your own self. Because like this, what are you scared in for? Now some pastors they use convoy.
No, not be say some. They use.
They use convoy now.
If you not use, you not try.
I should say my landlord said would they use convoy.
It go shock you.
You understand? Everybody convoy. What's drug to eat? Please behave yourself, okay? So Oga Ben Murray Bruce are talking on, and I agree with them for this one. They leave the convoy things for the president and the vice president. Yes, okay? Now, he can't talk again. He said billions shouldn't be budgeted for servicing convoys for public officials when children go starving because their parents haven't been paid.
Talk again.
Make a talk again. I know say you're slow sometimes.
No, I won't try process.
Try to catch it. Billions shouldn't be budgeted for servicing convoys for public officials when children go starving because their parents haven't been paid. Let me say, instead of they pay money for convoy, instead of they give money, they repair things for convoy. Who carry the money for the convoys? They give people and their parents. They won't need the money.
They no send.
That be the problem. This one I talk now. I know say some people that they their house.
You second this one too.
I second them.
I tell you the same
some people they watch this thing now. They do it for their. Hey, God Ben Murray Bruce, God go bless you. Before you not try, but they try. You dey yarn. You know that. So the third one when he come post again, because he say I counted 20 cars in an elected official's convoy. Okay, you say you get time.
You gotta get that.
You just come and say,
nah, convoy this time. Ain't me convoy.
Maybe they don't. Maybe they refuse a convoy. So the best of convoy.
I go hack.
I go do that. Is. I counted 20 cars in an elected official's convoy. What's wrong with our public officials? Do they know they are leading in a poor country? Question.
Poor country.
But my country is not poor.
They're not poor, my brother.
No,
my
country is
brother.
not
Don't
poor.
be deceived, my brother.
Oh, don't be deceived. We are living in a country where money day, but
Money
some people
dey
like
here.
the
Money dey
Money
here.
day here. You understand? We know we have the money, but some people are colorbing the money.
Colorbing things.
Don't worry, God will reveal you. God will reveal you. And very, very soon, we too will colorbe some money.
So you go colorbe?
No, I know colorbe for my own money.
Okay.
You see, the one with the talk just now, people they colorbe the whole Nigeria money.
The whole Nigeria money.
Me, I will colorbe the one that belongs to me.
Oh, you know how you didn't make sense.
You
didn't
know
make sense.
colorbe,
No, man, why I don't colorbe?
I often fear for you. The way they tackle me now, on top of the whole thing, I got like me bad.
No.
All right, but how you feel about the whole thing? What thing they talk not true? You feel about the whole convoy thing and every way? Oga Ben Murray Bruce just here and just now. Just follow us on top Twitter. Tell us your own, your own area of the whole P. At W Late Night Show, reach there, give your own gist, then we'll continue with the whole thing. Now, Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right, now for Bodo Ibo side there, they don't come and come talk say, man, look, say, if you come and go and try to, say, make I even start like this, make I start from New Jersey.
Okay.
And then this one happened. But like this now, Easy, you don't ever give any babe before, just to touch light down.
No.
Easy beat.
No. I don't
Easy beat.
No, calm down. What I don't like give them before, just
to
to
touch light down, yes.
I never like give them like that.
Okay.
Technically.
Yeah. Technically. This technically. I saw somebody they paint bad thing, no. Actually, it was not a lie, it was a deception move. A new way of saying I lied.
Okay, imagine you don't date that mood. You want to really touch light. Babe going to tell you, say, and you know, so you don't really like this baby like that. She going to say, do you love me? Do you love me? What do you go tell her? Technically.
Technically. You know, some people they say technically, or actually, or perhaps. Therefore, lie don't enter. Lie. That lie with that. That lie all follow the thing. But like this now, for inside New Jersey, they already talk say if you go lie to touchlight person, any kind lie you lie, when you go use to lie to touchlight person, you go fear that prison. If the girls come out and say, easy beat, he tell me say mama don't go.
Why you gonna come in?
Because of the fear, I call the fear. I call say, come my house, easy beat. I say, come my house. I don't know anything, just do be. Po. We don't finish the whole thing. After the whole thing, mama call her for phone. I call say, hey, you say mama don't go. He said no, mama go village. That's a lie. Technically, it's a lie upon it. You understand? So if they can't find out, say you lie. For New Jersey, easy beat, prison.
But which kind of yellow be that one?
Because too many men don't deceptive.
But the one where women they don't call.
No, women only call her lie. These are saying sense.
Sense. Oh.
Okay.
What if you can't
move button?
What if you can't do finish? Maybe the lady your reason and say, this guy gets some kind of money.
Yeah.
Make I just talk saying and lying like give me. She been a while they don't.
No, now I'm go join. No. I reason that I want to tell you this story. I reason that say, how about those somebody you wake up? Just want to do the guy a bad thing.
Just one wicked and
okay, you're good. Then I'll come say, he lied to me. He lied to me. Even though I say I know God do, he lied to me. I try. Hey, the guy come back and say,
but you do.
What's it be that Akon song? Yeah, Akon song.
Which that?
When he does do that bad thing, he can sing one song. You can put that blame on me. You can put that blame on me. I want to do Akon voice. You can put that blame on me. Put how the Sokoro say go again?
Sorry for the things I did.
Okay, anyway, which way? Those are the two stories we did for Grant. We get one that story for year, but he has not very, very deep story. This one just go smoke one thing. He say only he can't touch like 9 women at the same time. Oga.
Ogani.
Ogani, yeah. Oga. Igwe. Only you 9 women, you will die young. You just keep. You go to distribute what is about to give for one person, to 9 people, you will die. You just maybe if we end up for this thing, I don't want to talk the story because even me, I call the jealous the guy somehow. Because I know say, but there's some kind of place where you go get, you just destroy your future and your destiny. So, any which one I see any of these G's, just go for Twitter for there. Just give us your own part of the whole story, how you feel about it at W Late Night Show. Follow us and give us a comment, and then from there we go know how everything go. All right, so easy beat. But before you go play that song, now. I want me then send me the kind of lie where they don't lie for person just to touch lights. You understand? Tell me, allow God to. If you lie, hellfire is real. Hellfire is free, and some people they get VIP ticket go Hellfire.
They get VIP. They go chill.
When they all go Hellfire,
see
like
everything go there.
even devil go they serve them.
You go start to say, bros, you want anything?
You are a bad devil.
You're a baddest guy.
Hey, you, they lie. Even me, they shock. But let me devil. Okay, now I'm Lucifer. You can take the devil. Okay, so which lie you don't lie before? Just make it a lie person, whether it be man or woman. Which lie? Send them to us. Maybe for know every RW late night show. Or you find out say they lie to you. They lie to you. Which lie you don't hear before? Send them to us, and then we will read it to tomorrow. Okay. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. All right, so when we go for this break, we are coming back and we'll continue the whole show. No go anywhere. Easy beat.